हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं एक छोटी सी Forever 21 हॉल। इसमें एक Shein का भी प्रोडक्ट है। मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम Shein से शॉपिंग किया है, सो आई शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट एंड व्हाट आर माय थॉट्स ऑन Shein एंड इट्स अ ट्राई ऑन हॉल। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब का छोटा सा बटन जो है उसे दबा दीजिए सो यू डोंट मिस एनी वीडियोस एंड आई कैन सी योर प्रीटी फेसेस अराउंड मच मोर ऑफ्टन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो मैं जब गई हूँ Forever 21 एज यूजुअल, आपको तो पता है। सबसे पहले तो मैं Shein से शुरू करती हूँ। मैंने Shein से एक पेयर ऑफ टाइट्स मंगाया है। इट्स माई वेरी फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस विद Shein और ये बिल्कुल भी आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड वेबसाइट। ये जो टाइट्स हैं ये हैं जस्ट जिम पर्पज के लिए। इट्स वेरी नाइस, लेकिन मेरे को आई थिंक दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट कॉस्टली। आई पेड 1200 रुपीज़ फॉर दिस एंड आई विल शो यू समथिंग। आई मीन इट्स नॉट द बेस्ट क्वालिटी। Can you see this little hole? यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा hole है. I hope you can see that. Can you see this little hole? It's here, right here. The fabric of this one is really comfortable. ऐसा soft है ये, लेकिन it's very comfortable. लेकिन 1200 के लिए तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी I don't find it worth that. So I'll just give you an idea of the material. It's not very bad. It's not very good. I think it's pretty much mediocre. The right word for this would be mediocre, though it's very comfortable to wear. I don't think it's worth 1200 rupees. इसमें धागे वागे निकल रहे। It's not worth 1200 rupees overall. मैंने और कुछ मंगाया नहीं है, but maybe I'll try on a few dresses because there are some lovely dresses और मुझे I love maxis. तो ये जो है ये मेरा बिल्कुल first purchase था Shein से and while I'm not unhappy, I am also not happy. खैर तो वो था Shein. So the next thing we have is Forever 21. तो मैं यहाँ पे गई थी. The first thing I bought is this T-shirt जो आप देख रहे हो. This is new. ये है एक बहुत ही simple plain. It's absolutely nothing to it. It's just a plain white T-shirt as you can see. बिल्कुल भी fabric इसका काफ़ी पतला है. To be very frank with you, it's a very thin fabric. Can you see that? इस टाइप का fabric है ये. It's like क्या बोलूँ? This I've paid 839 रुपीज़। इसका टैग पीछे है, you can see that पीछे टैग है। इसकी जो क्वालिटी है दिस इज़ नॉट मच बेटर देन यू नो दोज क्लब फैक्ट्री टाइप प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई हैव पेड 839 जो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव फॉर दिस वेरी लाइट काइंड ऑफ अ टी शर्ट। इट्स अ लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव कमिंग फ्रॉम Forever 21 बिकॉज ओके मैं एक्सेसरीज भी लिए हैं मैंने। I'll get that out of the way also because मैंने जो पहना हुआ है will get out of the way first. So this is a earring which I bought. सारे prices नीचे भी होंगे and this is another huge pair of earrings. इसके मेरे पास छोटे थे and I had seen a lot of girls on YouTube, Instagram, a lot of people wearing it, so I very much wanted these. I wanted these since a very long time. They're so pretty. These are very huge. मेरे पास इसका छोटा version भी है, so these are going to be like really big hoops, but they are very beautiful. So ये था एक. The other one is this. ये basically एक hoodie है with a casual chic. It's a very casual chic kind of a thing. So this is what the little hoodie looks like. ये छोटा सा है. It's very baggy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा baggy है. And you may need to wear something inside because the armholes जो है they are like quite big. I like to wear this. इनको just twist it up like that and wear it like this. I like to wear it like this, or you can leave it dangling. This is for $12.99. But I have picked up some things for my gym because gym wear is like really expensive and Forever 21 has really good gym wear because gym wear is one of the most expensive things ever. Like कोई भी t-shirt हो, leggings हो, कुछ भी 2-3 हज़ार से नीचे होता ही नहीं है. Well, so this is the other one. I just love this. I'm looking forward to wearing this. Or maybe a little bit of weight loss. So ये थोड़ा weight loss के बाद, I mean, look at this. This has got a mesh. Like this fabric is just ये तो plain gym वाला fabric है और this was for how much? इसके prices काफ़ी reasonable थे. $12.59. Well, compared to other big 2,000 and 3,000 तो ये काफ़ी cheap है. You see this in the try on, right? So this is what this looks like. ये ऐसा है. ये gym wear है लेकिन you can, I think it will look very nice with jeans or like you know skirts, mini skirts or anything. इसमें ये चीज़ें which I really like. You can see ये जो है इसको एक thumb hole कहते हैं. So there's a thumb hole here. This is the sleeve and you can see this thumb जिसके अंदर आप you can put your thumb and you've got a nice pair of gloves happening. So if you're lifting weights and all, you don't need to wear gloves. Okay, I always wear gloves, but this is what it looks. It's also a very nice style statement. It's not necessarily only for the gym or anything. You can just wear this with jeans, with a nice short skirt, or like, you know, see what I'm wearing this with a long skirt, and it's like looking really nice. So that, and the other thing I got was this t-shirt. ये mesh t-shirt है, like mesh is really in. Again, this is going to be for the gym as well. So you need to wear a sports bra inside this. And this is what it looks like. This was for $6.99, 700 bucks. The fabric is not the greatest. Let me show you the fabric. It's very thin up. Can you see? You can just actually see through the fabric. It's this kind of a fabric. I am convinced that a lot of these places source their clothes from these small factories in China and stuff. So you see, the quality is not the best. Like even Shein is like not really. Even Shein ka the single legging is like, it's not the best quality. The quality of Forever 21 is much superior to Shein. So if I had a choice, I would go with Forever 21 any day. And having said that, that concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, definitely subscribe करना ना भूले. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye. Subscribe for more videos and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I might post. And remember, it's all free.